My name is Michelle Miller, and I'm the owner of Rault Locksmith, established in 1845. The first real location of the shop was over here on St. Mary Street in Uptown, and that was like in 1847. My father bought it from the last surviving grandson of Henry Rault. His name was Russell Stobbs. My dad came in 1989 and hung out here, and then 1990 officially became the owner of H. Rault. Henry came over, he was an immigrant from France, and he started what is you see today in the back of, we think, a jewelry store, because I've got pictures that put him there, and that's where he initially started, and then a few years later he moved over to open up his own shop here in the Irish Channel. When I came here, we were just a locksmith shop, and in the years that I've been here, I've kind of taken it in a different direction than you would have seen prior to my arrival. The light bulb went off in my head and kicked in, and then I started adding a retail element to the locksmithing side. So we always say this is the locksmithing side because we are a locksmith. That's what we do, and that's our foundation. I always say that's the roux of the gumbo. And then if you look on this side, this is more of your retail side. There's so much history here. When you look at a case, you just see things where a lot of times people don't even know what this stuff is. It's history. One thing I'm extremely proud about here is on any given day, you can have a dude from Treme standing at the counter with a woman from St. Charles, a guy, a high-powered guy from one of those high-rises in the CBD. They all stand together at this counter and they'll talk to each other. And I'm just like, this is fantastic. This is real life. These are real life people getting their keys, getting their locks taken care of. The diversity that comes in here and embraces one another at my counter I get to see it every day. We're one of those businesses, when you walk through the door, we know your name. Some of these people have been coming to this business for over 45, 50 years. There are grandpas that bring their sons in. Their sons now are bringing their sons in. I wonder what other businesses brings every part of society together in one spot, and then they all get along.